Hi, I'm Jaden with Vivo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly spin your candy floss using the VIVO Cotton Candy machine. To start, you will need to turn the power button on the front of the machine and let the motor run for 1 to 2 minutes. Once you've run the motor for 1 to 2 minutes, you will need to turn the heat on for 4 to 5 minutes. Once everything's heated up, you can get 1 scoop of your candy floss sugar and pour it into the center of the spinner head. Once you've poured it into the spinner head, you'll be ready to spin. And there you have your cotton candy. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at VIVO Customer Support. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.